Hey, handsome. I had to come home from work early. I'm sick. I know the plan was for you to come over after work, but I don't want you to get sick, so don't come over, okay? You will be happy to know that I'm currently drinking some Neocitrin and I'm under a blanket staying all toasty. So I have about 10 minutes before I succumb to a medicine-induced sleep. Okay. I'm really sorry, honey. I love you. Bye. Hi. Babe, what are you doing here? I feel like I got hit by a bus. I told you not to come over. If I get you sick, I'm gonna feel so bad. No, I am gonna worry about it. You did? You made me soup? Aw, babe, that's really nice. No, I'm not crying. Okay, maybe I am. That's just really sweet of you to do. I don't know, what else did you do? A sickness kit? What's that? Okay. I'm looking. Oh, wow. Tissues and cough drops, cold medicine, a crossword. Ooh, fancy coloring book. And some tea. Oh, 2 types of tea. Some Fable Rub. Ooh, a true crime novel. And a vintage car magazine. And what's this? Scrap piece of paper. Your Prime TV password? Oh, that's so 21st century chivalrous of you. You're right, I am getting tired of Netflix. You know me. No, you didn't forget anything. This is so thoughtful. I'd kiss you, but I'm disgusting. Yes, I am. I probably look like a disheveled troll who lives under a bridge demanding pedestrians to solve riddles before crossing. Yeah, sure, you blame my weirdness on the cold medicine, but we both know that that's not true. I love you too. Baby, though, you don't have to stay here and take care of me, okay? Bringing the soup and all these goodies, that's more than enough. Are you sure? Okay, well, I'm apologizing now if you get sick. Oh, yeah, please, but Just a little bowl, okay? I'm not super hungry. Ooh, yeah, it does look really hot. I bet it smells really good. But the steam feels really nice. Oh, I'm crying because I can't taste it. And you went to all the trouble to make it. I'm sorry, babe. You're so good to me. You're too nice to me. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna lay on your shoulder. I'll lay on your lap. It's farther away from your face. Here, I just gotta put the soup down. Why do I think you're too nice to me? Oh, 'cause you are. I don't know. Yeah, I remember. I stayed with you. Yeah, and I took care of you. I don't know why. I feel like it would be different if the tables are turned, you know? Like, I just feel like a burden. But I feel like it. I'm just kind of used to being treated like that. I don't know. But I'm happy to help people. Like, I don't find it annoying or like a nuisance or anything. But like, I don't know, like the past relationships and like even family, if I'm being honest, I've just always had it just has always had me believe that I had to rely on myself. And that's okay. Like, I know people are busy and I don't ever want to add to their craziness or anything. So, I don't know. What are you sorry for? What do you mean you're sorry you didn't come sooner? You came straight after work, you nut bar. Like, oh, in my life. See, you're so good to me. You really mean that? Like, I know the fear of like being a burden or like a nuisance is something I need to work on. I know that, but and I really appreciate that you're so patient with me and my stubbornness. I mean, I get extra sappy when I'm sick, but I'm sure that that flaw sometimes shows even when I'm healthy. So sorry, I just want to sit up so I could just have another bite of your soup. Uh, yeah, yeah, I'll have some tea if it's not too much trouble. I have like the chills. Ooh, a better idea. Tell me the things. Ugh, I will never turn down a bath. Oh, I will never turn down a bath with tea. Oh, really? I will never turn down a bath with tea. With
with my boyfriend who's gonna read to me. You really, really are too good to me. You are perfect. Don't laugh. Don't. You are so amazingly good to me. You're thoughtful, you're caring, pretty selfless. I mean, who chooses to sit on the bathroom floor reading to their sick girlfriend in the tub when I'm sure there's more fun things to do? Yeah, you. You are that person. You're one of a kind, and I am so lucky. No, no, no kisses, mister. No, babe. No, no, you're gonna get sick, babe. Well, you're done for now. Can I just ask one favor? Can you put some Vicks on my back before I head into the bath? Thank you. Can you rub it between your hands first? It's always so cold. You really are the best. I love you. Thank you for taking care of me and just being here for me. This big, sappy blob of tissues and snot. I don't know. I'm so gross. But your support means everything to me. Thank you. I love you. Kisses from afar.